Enjoy ba kayo dyan lahat?
Enjoy! Siyempre! Eman! Woo! Woo!
Yes!
Woo! Sige kay Eman! 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 Eman!
Grabe.
Grabe. What a celebration here, no? No, pasensya na kayo guys, naging fan mode kami dito. Pati ito mga fan ni Eman eh, oh. Nandito sila lahat.
Okay, sana okay lang yung Indonesian.
Sana all. Ayan, naakyat. Oh.
Okay na, aakyat na si Jillian Ward.
Jillian Ward is
Okay
coming
na.
up!
Richard Akailar. Richard, Jero Akailar. Tulungan mo makaakyat sa ring. Okay na. Okay lang yung
Okay ra! Solve na kayo! Oo nga, nakaharang dito sa harapan namin eh.
Hindi na kami makita sa loob ng ring kasi
Oo.
nandito na yung... Oy,
Ito may kasalanan, Leonard Flores, Akailar. Jericho Akailar, hinaharangan lang kami dito eh.
Kami nakita dito.
A Boholano round of applause to our two boxers inside the ring.
Shout out.
It's a very exciting bout. Right now, ladies and gentlemen, we are joined by Attorney Flores L. Chavez Podot, our boxing promoter, with an official time of 2 minutes and 26 seconds in the 4th round. We have your winner by technical knockout, Eman Bacosa Pacquiao! All right.
Grabe, no? What a celebration here in Bohol. Parang nakalalo tayo ng championship. Parang championship eh.
Siguradong babalik yan dito si Iman.
Oo.
All right.
Grabe.
Eman.
Yan na,
Ato sa
pinapakyat.
istoryahon si Eman
Pinapakyat
Bacosa
na.
Pacquiao.
Pinapakyat si Jillian Ward.
Eman, first of all,
okay.
congratulations. Ano